Hello, Lab Developer Workshops are back, and to make up for the month off, we've gone for a large title. The August workshop will be Transforming Lab Manuals into Immersive and Dynamic Learning Experiences. This workshop will be presented by myself as well as our instructional design experts in our professional services team. Do you have lab content that currently exists in the form of a PDF manual or some other document type? Perhaps your learners access it through an alternative system like your LMS or some other repository outside of the Skillable lab environment. In this workshop, you'll practice converting and onboarding existing lab documents to the Skillable platform, leveraging the platform's capabilities and features to enhance your content. You will gain hands-on experience using replacement tokens and type text features to streamline your content and learner experience. You'll embed videos, images, and links to important resources to provide an immersive learning environment. By the end of the workshop, you will have the skills to transform your static lab manuals into dynamic, captivating learning experiences. Please don't miss this opportunity to take your lab content to new heights. Join us for the Transforming Lab Manuals workshop and unlock the potential of your lab content. As always, this workshop is being delivered on the last Thursday of the month, so please join us on the 31st of August for this Lab Developer workshop. Thank you very much.